The White House announces Vice President Kamala Harris has tested positive for COVID-19. White House correspondent Owen Jensen has more tonight.
Tracy, we're told that Vice President Kamala Harris, who is fully boosted against COVID-19, is not experiencing any symptoms. Now, we're also told that due to their recent respective travel schedules, the Vice President is not considered a close contact of President Joe Biden or the First Lady.
The White House says Vice President Kamala Harris tested positive on both the rapid and PCR tests. She's now isolating at her residence, but will continue to work remotely. The news comes on the same day the Biden administration makes a push to expand COVID-19 treatments.
Treatments are really the next phase of this pandemic, where we have to make these highly effective treatments, widely available.
Treatments including Pfizer's antiviral Paxlovid, of which there is now ample supply. The goal now, get it out to every pharmacy and to educate doctors and patients.
We want to make this therapeutic widely available to all Americans.
Meanwhile, President Joe Biden said today that America is a nation of laws, of second chances, of redemption and rehabilitation.
President Biden is pardoning 3 people during this Second Chance Month, who he says have demonstrated their commitment to rehabilitation. And when he ran for the White House, the president vowed to reduce the number of people incarcerated and called for nonviolent drug offenders to be diverted to drug courts and treatment. Today he writes, "I am also commuting the sentences of 75 people who are serving long sentences for nonviolent drug offenses, many of whom have been serving on home confinement during the COVID pandemic, and many of whom would have received a lower sentence if they were charged with the same offense today, thanks to the bipartisan First Step Act."
This is what democracy looks like.
And at the U.S. Supreme Court, justices hearing nearly 2 hours of arguments concerning the contested Remain in Mexico policy. It forces some people seeking asylum in the U.S. to wait in Mexico for their hearings. The Biden administration fighting to end the policy.
Now, Republican-led states have sued to keep the program in place, saying it's helped reduce the flow of people into the United States. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.